Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth love read for you, Leo. Let's see what the second half of July brings for you in terms of love. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, okay, and leave the rest. So let's see, Leo, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most for the second half of July. Thank you. All right, Leo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again with me. I'm very, very grateful. And if you're new here, Leo, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. Oh, okay. And newbies, I'm going to be setting down two sets of cards. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your... What's wrong with... Okay, at least one, two. All right. I was wondering why most of the cards are reversed, but yeah, we do have a couple of them upright, which kind of makes sense to me now. Now the reading is making sense. All right. So, yeah, somebody made a decision here. So not all reversals are bad either, Leo. Let me clarify that. Like this card is like if it's in the upright, it's always somebody, trying to always be in no man's land, not being able to make a decision, wasting time. But the minute it's upside down means this person has now focused and has made a decision. So let's see what that's going to be. All right, let's put this here. So from what I see here, Leo, one person is feeling that the love is lost. They've lost a good chance for love, and they do want to come out of this feeling of lack and feeling abandoned and left out and whatever, feeling the loss of love, I would say. Whereas the other person, they are kind of still remembering the conflict maybe which has happened. They feel this connection has totally backfired because of somebody's immature maybe words or actions or something like that. So right now I think there is a little unhappiness in the love department from what I see. Let's do one thing. Let's start with some dialogue message cards and see what, if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll start the clarification process. So Leo and their person, Spirit. Oh, I forgot to take out the action cards. So Spirit, I need one action card for person A and one action card for person B. Person A and person B. All right. So this will be the action you guys may or may not take towards each other. We'll see what comes out. And newbies, like I said, this is person A for me. This is person B. You will know immediately which side you resonate best with, right? If this is your reading. Now we start with the... Okay. Leo and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Okay, that's enough. Let's take a few more from here, Leo. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Leo and their person, Spirit. Thank you. All right, good to go. Let's start our reading. The first card here says, Leo, I'm a completely new and better person because of you. I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. I want you to trust me. Trust that I will know the right time to take things to another level. Losing hope in this connection. It's hard because we can't seem to work out our differences. Soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. See, like I said, somebody I think took too long or feeling a bit dissatisfied with in the love department. So now what I'm going to do, Leo, if these are resonating with your storyline, I'm going to start clarifying these sides and then we'll see what action we can expect now in the second half of July. But before that, as always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Stress management. Yes, I think with all that is going on here, you have to release this overthinking, these sleepless nights, this stress, this tension. Do something for yourself, Leo. If this is you going through all this stress, do some yoga, take a walk, listen to music, watch a comedy movie if you have to, right? Laugh a little. Life shouldn't be taken that seriously. Everything that happens, good, bad, or ugly, has to come and go. This too shall pass. So manage your stress. Don't be stressed out. All right. So let's start with the energies of person A now. Person A has the Ace of Cups in reverse. Spirit, why is that? Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups. They took too long. They took too long to start this brand new. They were given an offer. You want to start a brand new journey with me? And I think person A went into, oh, should I not? Should I not? I think this person missed the bus. They probably missed the bus thinking they took too long to make a decision. And now they're feeling they've lost hope. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Five of Pentacles in reverse. They do want to come out of this place of lack though. Now it's come to them that, oh my God, I missed out on an opportunity. I've lost out on a good love offer. I hope I can, return and make this work again. Soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time, right? So they do want to end this conflict and maybe find happiness and peace once again. They want to get over this ending, which I think happened before the starting happened. So what happened, Spirit? Can we know, please, what happened in the recent past? Strength in reverse. Why was the strength in reverse, Spirit, in the recent past? Strength in reverse. Strength in reverse. Strength in reverse. And the Ten of Cups. Strength in reverse. What happened in the recent past here? I think somebody knew, deep in their heart, I think they knew that this can give them a lot of happiness, but I think they were unable to make a choice. Maybe they didn't have the courage, or they wanted to look like the person in control or something, even though they knew. I think this person just waited too long. I think they just took their time and they said maybe later, maybe later. They had this Ten of Cups staring at them in their face. They had it. They knew this is the one I feel a strong attraction to. I can have equal give and take. This is a great partnership. They felt like really strong in this connection, but I think they hid their feelings. They had to make a choice, which I don't think they did, or maybe they took too long, and they lost this opportunity for this Ten of Cups. It was just bad timing, I would say, or maybe somebody was too slow. Ten of Cups in reverse. Ten of Cups. Yeah, I think they were just taking too long. They were just kind of thinking about it too much, stuck in one position, very well knowing that this is a wonderful connection. They just, I think, went to take a nap. So how does person A now feel about this connection, Spirit? Now they want to I think now they're worried. They have been worried. They want to now do something or say something or open up to person B once again. This has been a tower moment in their life. They didn't expect that they would actually catch feelings. I think person A has actually gotten feelings now, which they've been hiding. Simple as that. This person has now recognized that they do have emotion, and except that they've never been able to show it or express it. Maybe they just wanted to feel like the emperor and be in command and be in control and say, hey, I'll know the right time to take this connection to another level, as this card said. But now they're under shock that, yeah, the stubborn moment is that now they're realizing that person B is kind of blocking them out. And maybe the person B is not even interested anymore, or they're being pushed aside. So this is like a big shock to them, because now they're recognizing the depth of their feelings. Now this person wants to open up. They don't want to hide anymore. They want to express what they feel. Yes, they want to come and offer a small cup of love, maybe an apology or something, and actually be open and honest with person B, which is a fantastic thing if they can. Because till now, I think this King of Cups has been just hiding their feelings, trying to behave like an emperor. I will tell you when is the right time to take this connection forward. I think person B got fed up and then said, all right, I'll block you off now, and moved on. So what action person A will take finally? They want to apologize, they want to open up, but will they in the second half of July? We'll open later, Leo. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is actually feeling. Person B has the Knight of Swords in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Knight of Swords here? Yes, person B is quite disappointed. They're quite disappointed. They feel what a waste of time, what a waste of energy. Nothing really fruitified here. This person was very rash and rude maybe sometimes, and very immature in their behavior towards this connection. And I think it's time to just end this connection altogether, because spending any more time or effort on this connection is only going to backfire on me, right? Why should I put in any more time knowing that this person always behaves like this, in this manner? They use words or say things which are cutting sometimes, or mean or rude, or create conflict, and they don't invest in this connection the way how you should reciprocate. So I think person B is very disappointed. They are quite ready to kind of call quits here. So what's this Seven of Swords in reverse, Spirit, for person B? Seven of Swords in reverse. They feel their partner, yes, they do admire them a lot, they respect them a lot, but they also somewhere feel that person A is a attention seeker. They are so busy with their own life and their own projects and their own this thing. Yes, they are somebody to be respected. Yes, they are, all the good qualities are there. But I think person B is now kind of feeling that it's better that I hide my emotions now. I put a lid on this cup of love that, I have, and give it to myself, because giving it to this person doesn't really work out. It always backfires on me, because they take from me and they never pour back into my cup, and I'll get depleted this way. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Temperance in reverse. Why was the Temperance in reverse, Spirit, in the recent past? Temperance in reverse. Why is the Temperance in reverse? Again, the Seven of Swords in reverse and the Four of Wands in reverse. They felt there was no balance. There was no structure. There was no stability in this connection. Whatever time and effort that was spent in this connection, it led them nowhere. They were stuck in this hanged man's position. And this is what person B is feeling, that, it was like stagnant almost. Nothing happened here. It was totally imbalanced. There was nothing. It was like a wasted, it just backfired. Simple. Hanged man, Spirit? Hanged man, what happened here? Yes, they feel this relationship was more like a situationship. They were the only ones maybe in this connection. They were always maybe thinking of when this person would reach out, or where this connection was going. It gave them stress, it gave them anxiety, and it kept them stuck. And there was absolutely very little movement, if there was any. Like, person A was giving very little. It was like out of 10 they were giving 1 or 2 and then pulling back, and then 1 or 2. And person B didn't feel that any love was even poured into this connection. Like, person A has the Ace of Cups in reverse, and so does person B. So there was no love shown, given, received, nothing. So how does person B now feel about this connection, Spirit? I think person B is quite clear now about where they want to go, what they want to do. I think they are moving forward. They've cut through all the crap, and they are leaving all the conflict behind and moving on to something else. Ace of Swords, Spirit? What's this Ace of Swords? Yes, they've lost hope in this connection. Like this card said, losing hope in this connection. This card is clarifying that, saying this is like wish fulfillment and all your dreams coming true. But person B is feeling, I've lost hope in this connection. I see clearly now this person is never going to be consistent. I've wasted some time here, but that's all right. What I want is something very grounded, something very stable, something that can go the long haul, right? Not something that's going to give me anxiety and stress. So I think person B is leaving all this behind and moving on to find peace and happiness. Yes, they're excited. They have 3 aces together. Person B, whoever you are, Leo, this side or that side, I don't know. They have 3 aces together. Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. The only ace which is upside down in this connection, Leo, right now is the love, the Ace of Cups. Right? So that really tells you a story right here. So they are kind of moving on. They say, okay, if I don't get love here, doesn't matter. I'll use the rest of my aces and move forward from this. Maybe going forward, I'll, find that Ace of Cups somewhere else. Yes, this person really is, what I think this person feels that person A is a bit egoistic, a little prideful, and because of that, I think person B is on the verge of shutting this chapter down. Yeah, they are kind of, they've always felt neglected by person A, and they feel that person A has been very egoistic in this connection. They never kind of contributed to make this connection work. Person B is, I think, on the verge of totally shutting this chapter down. So person A, you better take some action and stop person B before they completely go. Will you take any action now? Okay, 2 of Wands in reverse. They do want to make some decision. They have made a decision. What is that, Spirit? 2 of Wands in reverse. Why is that an action? Why is that an action? That person A, they want to communicate. They want to communicate about why. Okay, one more. One more. But will they do that, Spirit? Oh my God, yes. The person A is realizing they're losing their Empress now. They're losing a chance to have something with this Empress. They have now finally made this choice, this decision. They're no longer in limbo. They want to come and communicate like straightforward. This person is getting very, very restless because they are energetically feeling that person B is going further and further away from them. They desperately do want to hold on to this connection, and I think this person may, out of the blue, suddenly be in contact. They are rushing towards person B to stop them from completely leaving their life. So person B, any action from your end? Knight of Wands. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is that an action? My God, the amount of aces for person B is unbelievable. One more ace has come out. Okay, one more. Okay, so person B has also made a decision. They have also taken the blindfold off their eyes now. They've made a decision. Then what they are saying is that if you're coming back to me, they've become clear on what they want in life in this little bit of time that you guys have not been talking or whatever. This person is very clear about what they want. They don't want an imbalanced connection. They don't want a wishy-washy connection. They don't want somebody coming, rushing in and out of their life, who's dipping in and out and never being around for the long haul. They're saying if you're going to come back like this, then don't come at all. Okay? If you're not ready to, if you're going to come in the Knight of Wands energy just for sex or just for pleasure or just as and when you want to and then leave as quickly, if you're not offering me long-term potential, long-term partnership, I'm very clear about my decision. I don't want to heal this connection. This is imbalanced for me. Okay, so yes, that's what's going on here, Leo. If this resonated with you, do let me know. Leave a comment or a like or something. It really helps. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.